other than that, this interior, besides being dirty, is actually quite immaculate. I've got a broken cup holder, which ain't no big deal. I got one of those. And then, of course, the typical it fell through fuel switch, which I'm going to take out anyways because it's only going to be a single tank after I'm done. This, I don't know what happened there. That's kind of funny. But I have another bezel, premium bezel. And then this piece of trim is missing. Other than that, steering column's the worst thing. I mean, the headliner is still perfect and stuck up. Back seat is absolutely gorgeous as usual. The trim is beautiful. And these are still good, not messed up. That's a plus. Windshield, typical cracks. Dash doesn't even have. It's got one. It's got a couple of these little cracks there. Right over there. I have another one of those dash pads. Actually, I got like 2 or 3 of them. And door panels. This one does have a crack here. That ain't no big deal. These are, I mean, they took the screw out because, switches, typical. Otherwise, this thing is actually really good. And I have all the pieces for it. I actually got 2 part strokes. Beautiful mats. Carpet's not all tore up either. Dirty again, but that's easy. Got a carpet cleaner for a reason. And it's got the lumbar support seat. Beautiful headache rack. I like that thing. That thing's actually quite stout. And it goes all the way down like it should. This rack, ladder rack. I like it. It's got the big top. But somebody did the typical, we have to fix it because we broke it. I don't know why people always break these front ones. The back looks good. I'll repair it. I'll rebuild it all. That's the bumper. Took it off for the tow bar. Toolbox, that's another story. Gonna have to look, see if we can catch some more tadpoles. Tailgate has a bow on the inside. On the outside, fine. Bumper, that kind of aggravates me. And yes, it's got air shocks. Missing one, the smoke cover for this side, which is fine. I'm going to take that off anyhow because that's stupid. I have both of those. It's got the sport mirrors. I wish I could get these tires, the other 3, but yeah, that guy wants them back. Unfortunately, the chrome's coming off the sport mirrors, which is normal. But yeah, see here. They love doing this out here in the south. I don't know why. They think that's a good fix rather than properly welding it and then doing a gusset. Toolbox, we got lucky. We drove all the way home. With this thing not attached to anything. And it's crusty. But at least the bed of the truck is still good. Yeah. There's the center cap on that one, which is fine. I have more of those. The factory front wheel is in the Jeep because it the tire decided to start leaving the chat. And when we were pulling it out of the field, apparently we lost the front cover for this one, but the guy says he's gonna go look for it. But yeah. We did a little sketchy shit. Had to add a hole on each side to make it stay. Gotta figure out the hood latch. I'll have to fight with that in a second. Because for some reason it wants to say popped up. I don't know why yet, because I haven't figured that out. Pull the handle. Ow, hard. Oh, that hurt my hand. Oh, something in my hand popped. And we sit here and fight with it. Yeah, I'm going to have to fight with it. I don't know why it won't close right. But it sat for about a year with the hood open so that the, rats didn't get in it. But that's that.